Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 40. If we start with this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row now we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this box now we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this row we're missing a 6. For this box now we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here, so this is our 1. But I don't see any other help, so 8, 9, 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 9. 1 here, so 7, 9. That means that our 1 has to be here. For this column now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got the 9 covering both of these boxes. So 7, 8, 7, 8. That means that our 9 has to be here. And that 9 makes this our 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 4, 9. 2, 5, and 9 here, so that means this is our 4. We can get rid of this 4. 2 here, so 2, 5, 9. 5 here, so 2, 9. So that means our 5 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, 8, and 9. We've got the 8 here. So 3, 4, 9. 4 and 9 here. So 3, 8. 3 here. So 4, 8, 9. No help here. Oh, but we have that 4 there. So no help here means 3, 8, 9. And since that 4 is covering these 3 boxes, our 4 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 9. We've got 1 and 4 here. So 3, 9. Oops, sorry. Wrong box. 3, 9. 1, 4 here. So 3, 9. 3 covering both of these boxes. So 1, 4, 9. Same here. 1, 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, 7, and 9. Got the 2 here, so 6, 7, 9. 6 and 7 here. So 2, 9. 2, 6, and 9 here. So this is our 7. 2 covering here, so 6, 9. We can get rid of this 7. But if we look now, the only place our 2 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got the 9 and 3 here, so this is our 5. 9 here, so 3, 9. That 9 makes this our 3. That 9 makes this our 6. That 6 makes this our 9. And we can get rid of these 2 9s. That 9 makes this our 8. 7, 8. And that 8 makes this our 3, 9, 2. That 2 makes this our 9. So for this box now we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. Also that 9 makes this our 7, 9. For this box now we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. That 1 makes this our 4, 1. For this box now we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. And for this box we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 6. We've got 3, 4, and 6 here, so this is our 1. 3 and 4 here, so 6. 4 here, so 3 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.